Okay, we are going to be working in Access. So the first thing is coming out of the corner to the Windows, and then you want to make sure that you choose Access 2016 or whatever Access you have with a number. And so one thing that makes Access a little bit different is when we start our database, we save it right away. So I'm going to click Blank Database one time. And then here where it has file name is where we're going to put the name. So JSP, all in capital letters, space, and then recruiters. I'm just going to add a number to it just because I already have another one saved. So I type in that name, click create. So here we have our blank table. So the first thing we're going to do is get all of our table data entered. And so to do that, I'm going to click where it has to add. And then short text is my type, and then the field name will be client number. Then the easiest thing to do is just to tab until you go over to the next one, and then we will have short text again. This is going to be client name, tab, short text, street, tab, short text, city, tab, short text, postal code, tab, short text, amount paid, and tab, currency. This is going to be current due. And then our last one will be short text again and recruiter number. And so now we want to go ahead and save this table. So up here in the corner where you see the disk to save, we're going to click that. You get a pop-up, and we are going to title this client. Then we are going to change our view. So right now we are in data sheet view. So I clicked view, I want to go to design view. And we are first going to change our primary key. So right now the primary key is ID. That was something that was in there automatically. Nothing that we actually need. So I'm going to right click on it and say delete rows. And yes, I want to delete that. And then we want our client number to be the primary key. And the primary key simply means that we always have to have something in this field. We can't leave it blank. So I have it highlighted. I'm going to click primary key up here. And we're good to go with that. On amount paid, we're going to change it from short text to currency. Okay, so now that we have that situated, we are going to change our views again. So I'm just going to come up here and click on view to change it back to data sheet view. It's going to want to know, do I want to save it? Yes, I do, because we made some changes to it. And so now we're ready to enter our data here. And so we're going to start with client number. Everything for the client number is going to be 2 capital letters and a number with no spaces. So our client number is AC34. And then we'll just press tab again to go through all of them like we did before. Client name is Allie's Clinic, A-L-Y-S, Clinic, C-L-I-N-I-C. Street, 134 Central Burridge. No, just 134 Central. Then tab over to our city. Our city is Burridge, B-E-R-R-I-D-G-E. And it looks like I skipped over having our state in there, so we're going to have to add that in. Okay, so to get that state in there, we're going to change our views again, so I apologize for that. And so I am going to click so that postal code is highlighted, Then if I right click, we're going to insert row, and our field name will be state, and our data type is the short text. So then we're good to switch back our views. It's going to ask us if we want to save it. Yes, we do. All right, back to entering our state. So we're just doing abbreviations for state. Everybody lives in Colorado, so the abbreviation for Colorado is capital C, capital O. And now we'll tab over to our postal code, 80330. Tab, amount paid is 0. Tab, our current due is $17,500. Tab, our recruiter number is 21. So now we have one piece of information put in. We'll enter down. We'll do our next one. Client number BH72. Tab, our client name is Burles, BERLS, space hospital. Tab, their street address is 415 Main. Tab, the city will be Burles again, BERLS. Tab, the state is Colorado. Tab, our postal code is 80349. Tab, our amount paid, $29,200. Tab, current due is 0, and tab, recruiter number is 24. Enter. Now, you have several more to do, so you'll just have to look at the handout to go ahead and enter in the rest. And we'll want to hit save once we get all of those entered. And then we are going to be ready to start our next table.